Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a Bluetooth keyboard. First, make sure your keyboard has fresh batteries or is fully charged. Locate the power switch, usually on the side or back, and turn it on. Next, activate Bluetooth on the device you want to connect to, whether it's a computer, tablet, or phone. Keep your keyboard close, within about 2 to 3 feet, for the best initial connection. Now let's get your keyboard ready to pair. Most Bluetooth keyboards have a dedicated pairing button, often labeled with a Bluetooth symbol, that you'll need to press and hold for a few seconds. This puts it into discovery mode, indicated by a blinking light. On your device, open the Bluetooth settings and wait for it to scan. You should see your keyboard's name appear in the list. To finalize the connection, your device might display a numeric code. Simply type this code on your Bluetooth keyboard and then press the Enter key. Your device should then confirm that the keyboard is successfully paired and connected. If you encounter any difficulties, such as the keyboard not appearing, try turning both your keyboard and your device's Bluetooth off and on again. For optimal performance, always ensure your Bluetooth keyboard has sufficient battery life. Remember that Bluetooth connections work best within a range of about 10 meters or 33 feet. When you're finished using your keyboard, it's a good practice to turn it off to conserve battery. Once paired, your keyboard should automatically reconnect to your device whenever both are on and within range.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.